My brother dyed his hair blonde for some odd reason.
Odd reason? I'm on that Odell shit. Fuck is he talking about?
Right. Yeah. Anyways.
They just wanted to do that.
What'd you just say?
I said today we gonna be installing these step stools for my sister because she keep falling out the car like she a 2-year-old child.
It's not my fault that I keep falling out of the car. I'm just short.
Girl, a couple inches.
Whatever.
Drink some milk!
Shut up. Why are you so loud?
Why I'm here is so I don't get fined.
So you don't get fined?
These are actually raw as fuck.
You like them? You like my taste? Look at the size. You like my
see this is coming at a charge of $150.
No, you're not charging me. We're siblings, so you know this is out of love. Okay? So yeah, look, you like my side steps? I mean the side rails I chose. I got these from Extreme Terrain. Well, for about, they were on sale, so I got them like $360.
Oh,
what'd you say?
I said that shit goes on raw.
I like how they look. They look really nice. I like how they say Magnum on the sides.
Because all we rock is Magnums.
Shut up. YouTube, hopefully you don't demonetize me for that.
You took this heart of mine. You'll be my Valentine in the summer. In the summer. You are my only one. Just dancing, having fun. Out in the shining sun of the summer. Of the summer.
I'm doing this shit fast like the countryman. Ow, fuck. I'm trying to see. Connected with the hole. Where's the
And the third one goes over there.
It's lined up. That's why you see the two holes.
So
Repeating on the other side. That thing looks heavy.
It looks heavy? My nigga, it is heavy.
Oh my god, YouTube, please do not demonetize my channel.
For what?
Using this box to hold up these heavy side rails.
You gotta do it the ghetto style.
That thing is so heavy.
Welcome to my hood.
So ugly. You're so ugly.
Alright, see how fast I'm gonna unbolt all this shit.